Alright guys, so in my last, one of the last videos you saw where we installed the 20-inch Rigid Industries light bar because my 15-inch Nilight light bar had condensation, and guess what? It still does. So we are going to take this apart and see if we can seal it up. Hopefully I don't screw it up. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the mounting tabs. For that, you need a 14mm socket like this one right here. I think what you need to do is remove these end caps. So I've got a 3mm Allen head. I've not ever done this, so I don't know what's going to happen. We could screw it up. Okay, there's one side. And that comes off. There is a little rubber gasket. It looks like it has got some silicone or something holding it in, and we're just going to pull that dude off just like that. I'm going to place it on top of that end cap so I know what way it came off. Okay. Huh. Well, I think I see what's going on here. Let's take this other side off. Oh wow, water came out of that. Alrighty. It looks as if these screws kind of pinch the lens in there, so it is smaller than a 3. So stick around, I gotta go find an Allen wrench that's gonna fit that, but yeah, there's plenty of moisture coming out of that light. Okay, well I found a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and we're gonna see. Yep. You have to, I think you just have to loosen these. Again, this is on a 15-inch Nilight light bar, and it's the dual light bar. It's got flood and spot beams. So I'm just going to loosen all these and see if I can slide this lens out and dry it off. I think. Ah, there we go. Come on, come on. Man, look at that condensation in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it on there. Look. Oh, hey, you're back. So, I washed this thing in the sink, and it is probably about as clean as it's going to get. and dry. So now we are gonna slide this joker in like that. Yep. There we go. Oops. Yeah. We'll put this end cap on. And then we'll tighten this lens down. You probably don't need to take both end caps off. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. All right, guys, so we got the lens back in and it is cleaned. And now I got the end caps on, Nilight. I got the little nuts in there for where you mount it. Now we're gonna take our 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm gonna tighten up the lens, and hopefully this thing won't leak after that. Now I can repurpose this light. I don't have a clue what I'm going to do with it, but should work out pretty well. Worked good before, just had water in it. So there you go. Thanks, guys, and if you've got one of these Nilights, you may want to take a look and make sure that lens is on the right side of that little white gasket in there. If it's not, super easy to take apart and pull the lens out, clean it up, slide it back in on the front side of that gasket and tighten it up. We'll see how it goes. Thanks, and I'll see you on the trail.